Well guys, welcome back to my channel, and don't forget to always stay tuned and put the you click the bell button and you can subscribe, you can share this makeup look to your friends, your family, and your I'm sorry, I'm baking now. I'm using the Mercury. It's number 2. It's the shade of number 2. And I'm gonna mix it, but I'm gonna put this on the under eye first. Right? I'm gonna start on the under eye. You bake it gently, okay? You can tap it, tap. I see the crack right here, and I'm so sad. Well, and the other side of the under eye. Well, and after that you can blend it. You can baking all the whole face like this. You know, loose powder, it makes your skin looks like Paris filter on Instagram, you know. It's really cool, which is you need to put the stack of the loose powder. It's really perfect, the Mercury, and I really love this product. And I'm gonna mix it with the other powder. It's Ultima. And this is the shade. Wow, it's perfect, right? So, yep, let's get started baking don't forget the neck, because it's important. You don't want have the different skin color of your face and your neck, right? So yeah, then skip this step. I'll just tap it like using the foundation, and after this, when you put the compact powder, you can strap it. Wow, look at the foundation and the powder is mixed already. Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna continue with the part of the compact powder. So you guys stay tuned and turn on the notification of your phone of my channel, so you always got the update from my YouTube channel. So yeah, I'll see you soon guys on the step compact powder. I'll see you soon.